Today, I'll show you how to convert PowerPoint to Excel. If you've ever found yourself needing to extract information from a PowerPoint presentation and organize it into an Excel spreadsheet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and can save you a lot of time if you need to analyze or manipulate your presentation data in Excel. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Once you have your file open, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of the window and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see several options. From here, select Save As. This option allows you to choose an alternative format to save your presentation, which is essential for our conversion process. Now, in the Save As window, pay attention to the drop-down menu labeled Save As Type. You'll need to change this setting to outline.rtf. By doing this, you're essentially saving the text content of your PowerPoint slides in a format that can be easily opened and edited in Microsoft Word. Make sure you choose a memorable location to save your RTF file so you can find it easily later. With your PowerPoint content now saved as an .rtf file, the next step is to open this file in Microsoft Word. Go ahead and locate the file you just saved, then double-click to open it. You'll notice that the text from your slides is now available in Word, making it much easier to handle. Once your .rtf file is open in Word, it's time to move the content over to Excel. Simply select all the text in the document. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard. With the text highlighted, copy it by pressing Ctrl and C. Now switch over to Excel and open a new worksheet. Position your cursor in the cell where you'd like to start pasting the content. Then paste the copied text by pressing Ctrl and V. Now that your text is in Excel, you might notice that everything is lumped into a single column. If this happens and you need to organize the text into separate columns, Excel's Text to Columns feature will come in handy. First, select the column containing your pasted text. Then, go to the Data tab located at the top of the Excel window. From there, choose Text to Columns. This powerful tool will guide you through a wizard that helps split your text based on delimiters or fixed widths depending on how your text is formatted. As you proceed through the Text to Columns wizard, pay close attention to the Preview section to ensure that your text is being split correctly. You might need to choose a delimiter, like a tab or space, depending on how your original PowerPoint text was structured. Once you're satisfied with the setup, complete the wizard, and your data will be neatly organized into separate columns. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your PowerPoint presentation into an Excel spreadsheet. This method is incredibly useful for anyone needing to further analyze or manipulate data originally found in PowerPoint. By following these steps, you've learned a quick and efficient way to bring your presentation data into a spreadsheet format. If you found this guide helpful, consider applying these steps whenever you need to convert PowerPoint content to Excel again. Thanks for watching, and happy converting.